Imagine creating a complete professional PowerPoint presentation in less time than it makes to make a cup of coffee. Yes, today I'm going to show you how Microsoft 365 Copilot can turn you into a presentation ninja without typing a single bullet point. If you ever felt frustrated staring at a blank slide, today is your lucky day. Welcome to Discover Talent Presents, folks. I'm your host Vinod. In this series, we're gonna cover how to create a presentation using Microsoft Office 365 Copilot. Cool. Let's be honest, making PowerPoint slides is usually a pain, right? You sit for hours searching for ideas, picking colors, adjusting fonts, and after all that effort, it still looks meh. Tell me in the comments how much time you usually take to make a good presentation. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, 45 minutes, 5 hours, or more than that. Today, Copilot is going to save you from all that struggle. Let's meet our new best friend, Copilot. What is Office 365 Copilot? Now, this is the very frequent question, and you can search on the Google as well, or maybe any of the search engine, right? It is trending, right? Copilot is not just any assistant, it's like having a creative buddy powered by AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. It lives inside your Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, okay, Teams as well. And it helps you do your work smarter, faster, and cooler. Cool. In PowerPoint, specifically, Copilot can create a new presentation, suggest design, rewrite content, summarize your information, and even generate a speaker notes. Basically, it's a sidekick we always wished for, minus the coffee breaks. Cool. But hold on, is Copilot really that smart? Can it create a something better than a human? Okay, or will it just give us a random garbage slides? Let's not just trust that marketing, right? Let's test it and check this workshop how it really beneficial for us. Cool. So since I'm assuming the viewers who are watching this video are very basic understanding about PowerPoint presentation in a nutshell, right? I will start with very a basic module, right? How we can open a PowerPoint. So first I'll just click on the start button, and then this is the PowerPoint presentation for me, right? And this is the home, new, open, and these are the basic presentation templates. I'll simply click on this blank template presentation. These are the slides where we can see the slides in the left hand side. This is the ruler, and right, this ruler we can turn on the grid lines as well where we want to design it, and these are the guides, what we call as a ribbon tab, insert, draw, design, so on and so forth. And this is the your status bar where we will see how many slides we have, right? And we can zoom in, zoom out to the presentation like this. This is your horizontal, and then this is the vertical one. And since we are talking about a Copilot, right, so let me just click on this home ribbon tab, and here we can see there are two options available: new slide with Copilot and Copilot. This is the new option available for us. Okay, so we will use this new slide with Copilot again. For the third use case, that time I will simply use this particular option. We'll check the difference again, which one is better for us to use it in for daily resume activity, right, folks? So simply we'll start with this new slide with Copilot. So what is the use of this? Let Copilot generate and design a new slide for your presentation. Oh, is it? So that's been written there, right? So we simply just read it out. And here we can see as a start with a prompt. So what does that mean? Prompt. What is the prompt? So prompt is basically your natural language which you type in this particular box, and the machine will understand that, and basis the your context, whatever context you have typed, right, in terms of prompt, that will machine will understand in the machine language, right, 01, and then it will gives the result accordingly. Now since we are discussing this, let me just type a very first use case, which is create a 5 slide presentation about future trends in renewable energy. Okay, and very basic English I have typed over here. Okay, again, whenever we do a prompting in the Copilot, we have to always make sure what type of tone we are using. Okay, since we are creating a very basic video series over here, hence we have simply typed this particular prompt and I'll hit the enter over here. Now it will take some time to generate that data to understand that English, right? And it will give us a result. You can see at the top, Copilot AI generated. So basically, AI is generating a presentation for us, and it is taking a time, and boom, there we go. Okay, now it's saying AI generated content may be incorrect. This is the caution. Cool. So we can simply ignore it, keep it, and then simply click here. Boom. We can see agenda as well, solar energy innovations, power advancement, and we can see the images as well. Okay, there is no hiccups that we have to go online and we have to search those images. No, here we get the in one source itself we have got all the information, right? This information in which you can see, right, titles, bullet points, and even small design ideas, right? We have got it now. Honestly speaking, this is just saved me at least 45 minutes of my life, isn't it? If you think that is cool, type cool in the comments. Now since we are aware now how to add a prompt in the presentation and generate a text accordingly, right? Now let me just show you the information as well, not just a presentation, but if you see at the bottom, right, here is a notes as well. At the time of presentation you can use this. See, these are the bullet pointers, and this will help you to talk about your presentation at the time of meeting, right? Now let me just go one by one again. Okay, how I have started, and this time we will use a different example. Okay, and you can see this slide sorter view as well, right? How many slides we have, and in summary view we can see that. Great. Now since we are talking about the second example, let me just click on Control N here, and this is the new blank presentation for me. And here you will easy starter guide using a Copilot in presentation. So 5 steps we have followed. What we have did, we have click on this PowerPoint, and then we simply click on this option called Copilot, and as soon as you click on this Copilot, you have received a message Copilot. Here I'm simply typing a prompt, make a 6 slide deck on mental health awareness, rather I will say awareness. Oops, awareness. Great, and I'll simply click here. It will take some time to load and understand our information. Now it's saying that I can help you create a new presentation. Select create a new presentation to get started, then describe the type of presentation you would like to create. So I have to simply click here. Now you can see the difference, right? However, we have typed new with Copilot, the same window we have received this time as well. So again we have to type a same prompt, make a 6 slide deck on mental health awareness, and I'll hit like this. So here is the clarity. We don't have to use this particular option. Instead, new with Copilot will really help us. Great. Now generate a slides. Always think Copilot is like your intern. It does the heavy lifting for you, and you will shine it. It's generating images, bullet pointers, heading, so on and so forth. It will take some time, and there we go. Now we are seeing in this way. However, if we click on this option, we will get this options available like this. I'll simply click on this play button and we can see discussion topics, introduction on mental health, definition about, again the images you can see, right? Mood changes, social withdrawal, difficulty concentrating. These are the images which are the relevant images for explaining this particular part and understanding about health stigma, what is all about. So if in case I'm conducting this kind of workshops, right, so always I have to go through with this particular part, and if I'm looking out for specific bullet pointers, right, so what topics should I cover when I say workshop, right? So those particular topics also shared by the co-pilot, so this will help me to work on those particular points and use my own creativity and explain to the respective individuals. Cool. And this is how it saves my tons of time, folks. And at the end, if you can see conclusion, this is how it's generated. Again, if I scroll up over here, this is the bottom work notes for me, which I can read it and I can explain to the respective members. Here is the option for sections. Basis the sections, these are the slides are getting merged inside in it, right? So yeah, we can check the bullet pointers in which particular sections which slides are available like this. Cool. Now I will show you one more example, which is use cases and most frequently asked, right? I just do a control N over here, and majority times we have seen, and even I have seen that folks are paying a fees to learn about AI, specific to responsible AI, right? A responsible AI, what it is all about, what is responsible AI, I will cover that part in the upcoming section. But right now let me just show you one use case about this. Now let's create a full deck live. Okay, I'm asking Copilot to make, this time again I will say, uh, 8 slide presentation about the impact of AI on daily life. Cool. So this is the prompt, and simply I have just click on this enter. So I'm asking Copilot to make a 8 slide presentation about the impact of AI on daily life. Look how it generates a title, agenda, detailed bullet points. Honestly, if I had to do this manually, it would have taken me hours. And keep it like this, and I'll simply click here option, and then there we go. AI in daily life, transforming industries, automation, efficiency, future of AI, right? Again, the AI communication, healthcare, we can see, right? These are the options available. And if I click here, this is the option, right, where we use this highlighter: transportation, education, entertainment, future, and the conclusion, which is this AI in communication. Again, the detailed presentation over here. If I talk about smart assistants, chatbots, personalized experience, so on and so forth. This is really a time saving and really, adding a value for your daily resume activity, whatever work you do, or maybe any business you are in, right? This will really save your time. Now let's talk about benefits of this Copilot, folks. Okay, I'll just say discard because I have made those changes, right? Benefits of this Copilot. Here's why I love using a Copilot. Copilot saves massive time first, and I think you all are agree since I have seen the majority comments in the below section. So I think you all are agree. It saves massive time, right? Reduces presentation stress, and I know when we create a presentation, that time we not really sure and we think only one way, right? But when we talk about AI, it research end to end, right? From how it will start and what is the conclusion, end to end we have seen, right? It reduces a presentation stress. Again, improves your design automatically. If in case any relevant images needs to be get added, deleted, okay, it will automatically get that done. If you are stuck with the ideas, again it will help you to do a brainstorming, to understand what type of bullet pointers we have to think upon, and accordingly we have to act. And last but not the least, for me, I will call this as a superhero. Okay, so Copilot is really help to improve a work efficiency and add a value. Again, Office 365 Copilot is not just a available on presentation or maybe PowerPoint. It is available on Excel, okay, which help us to create a sometimes Python code we needed, right? So we add a Python codes as well there, right? In Excel as well for analysis purpose, data analysis, even in Word document to summarize a documents and to understand a documents. Even Copilot is available on multiple applications like Teams, right, to summarize a entire conversation, agenda, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's talk about a presentation only for this particular series, because this entire series is all about creating a presentation with the help of Copilot. Cool. So now, when we talk about responsible AI is called Copilot. Okay, I will honestly speaking, because Copilot gives me end-to-end picture about my data. Okay, where my data is resides with the help of Microsoft Graphs. Okay, I'll give you the link in comment section. Okay, where you can understand how Copilot works, where your data is resides. Okay, it gives the entire clarity about your data. Again, just a sanity check for you guys. Okay, sometimes it misses the tone what you want. Sometimes when we talk about, it's not really sure that if it is a positive tone or negative tone, so we have to do a sanity check by reviewing our data. Okay, you still need to do a fact check the content if it is good or not. Okay, and then we have to take a actions accordingly. It is an assistant, not a brain replacement. So always we always heard that AI is replacing a job. It is not like that. Okay, it is a assistant for you. Okay, and it help you to do a work more smarter. Always sprinkle some of your own genius on a top. Okay, if you want to impress your boss, clients, or classmates, start mastering Copilot today. It's your shortcut to becoming a presentation ninja. Smart, fast, and stylish. Thank you for watching Discover Talent. If you learned something today, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and hit subscribe for more awesome tech learning. Drop "Thanks Vinod" in comments if you enjoyed. I read every comment personally. And don't forget to give us your best learning in comments. Thanks once again and have a great day ahead.